gonna clean Godzilla's gas tank out. I'm gonna blast it out with a pressure washer to move the big chunks out. And then I'm gonna put apple cider vinegar in there and let it sit for a few days. And the acid in the apple cider is supposed to clean the tank. And then after 2 or 3 days, you dump that out and then you put baking soda in it to neutralize the acid. And then supposedly you're gonna have a nice, clean, shiny tank inside. See all that rust coming out of there? I'm gonna give it another shot. Oh, it's looking better already. Look at it. That sucker's looking nice. We pressure washed the tank, which really got it pretty darn clean. I can't quite get the top of the tank because of the way it aims, but we've got rid of a heck of a lot of rust. Now we're going to dry it out using the tank dryer. Alright, now we got the tank pretty well cleaned out, and I'm telling you, it looks good, but we can't quite get this top piece. You know, the pressure washer won't blow back. We need a U-shaped pressure washer, but that would probably blind everybody that used it. Now we're putting in the apple cider vinegar. We're gonna fill it right to the top. And whatever you don't use, you leave in your basement for a few years, and would it turn into wine? All right, 2nd gallon. It's good to spill a little on the tank, keeps the surface rust down. This is only supposed to hold 2.5 gallons, so we will see. Right up to the top. Get all that rust. The thing is, if you don't clean this tank, you're not going to get very far, because the thing's going to keep clogging up, and you're going to have to keep stopping the bike, blowing in the line, cleaning the carburetor. You're not going to get anywhere. This is the rig we used to get inside the gas tank after we put the apple cider in it. It was pretty clean, but there was a lot of stuff knocked loose. I wanted to make sure I got it all, so we took a piece of hose, a drill bit, and open cut sand stuff, and then we tape it on the hose, and then it wraps around, and you stick that in the hose in the tank, and it flies all over the place, like, you know, when you blow an air hose fitting on a jackhammer and the damn end goes out and kills 3 people. So we put that in there and worked it all around. That knocked anything that wasn't loose from the cider, and then flushed it, put baking soda in it. Man, it looks like a new gas tank.